Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a baby Nessie in fish. So baby Nessie is one of the most adorable and highly sought after legendary pets or catches in fish. And if you want to get that one, this is what you are going to do. So what you need to do is just scoop a bit in night time during the autumn season in fish, and after that you need to fish during those times, and after that you'll get the baby Nessie. So unfortunately now the autumn season has passed, so hopefully next year there will be a new or another baby Nessie that you can get in fish. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.